Hello students, today we are going to discuss about loans from financial institution. Yesterday we discussed about loans from commercial bank. Now there are several financial institutions are there which provide loan to the company. Okay, let us see the meaning of it. The government of India had set up several special institutions in the country to provide long term and medium term finance to business enterprises. These institutions or development banks have become a major source of finance for flotation of new concern as well as for the modernization and expansion of the existing concern both in the form of equity and debt. It means these institutions are not helping only the existing companies, but it is also beneficial for the new companies. These institutions are not simply financial institution, they also provide promotional, technical and managerial services. It means they provide some advices also to the, especially to the new companies, that how they should invest their money in order to get a good return. So they are not only the financial institution, but they also provide some other things other than amount, other than finance. Then several examples are there like IDBI, ICICI, LIC, etc. These are some of the financial examples of financial institutions. These specialized financial institutions have become the biggest source of finance for industries in India. Now see the advantages of financial institutions. First advantage is both risk as well as loan capital is available. Special financial institution provide underwriting facilities also. It means they are providing the loan capital as well as they are this financial institutions are taking a big risk also for the company, and also they are providing the amount to the company. And some of the special financial institutions are there, those who are providing the underwriting facilities also to the company, to the new companies. Means when the company is promoted, जब company new होती है, so they need some brokerage and means some brokers, some promoters to promote their company. So all these things, all these promoters, underwriters are arranged by the financial institution. So this can be the advantage for the company. Okay, then come to the second advantage. New companies which may find it difficult to raise financial from the public can get finance from these institutions. Some of the new companies, they are not getting the finance easily from the banks or from public. So for them these financial institutions are very helpful because they are providing them finance. They help them in raising finance from the public also. So therefore these financial institutions are very helpful and for the new companies. So therefore for the new company this is the big advantage. Then third is, as these institutions carry out a thorough investigation before granting assistance to a concerned, relationship with them helps to increase the credit worthiness of a company. It means whenever these financial institutions are giving the loan, they are doing a thorough investigation that for what purpose company is set up, what is their aim, and how much amount, how much finance they want, and can they pay the finance, means any fraudulent activity is not going on. Everything they are investigating. So when they are investigating about the company, so and they are giving them loan, they are giving them finance, so it increase the credit worthiness of such companies. वी हैव डिस्कस दिस इन द लोन फ्रॉम कमर्शियल बैंक ऑल्सो. जब कोई बहुत अच्छा फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन होता है और किसी रेपुटेड फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन से अगर कोई कंपनी लोन लेती है, तो उससे कंपनी की भी रेपुटेशन इंक्रीज़ हो जाती है, गुडविल इंक्रीज़ हो जाती है कि बिकॉज पब्लिक भी ये सोचती है कि अगर इस फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन ने इस कंपनी को लोन दे रखा है, तो इट मीन्स ज़रूर कंपनी अच्छी है एंड कंपनी आगे चल के सक्सेस करेगी, ग्रोथ करेगी. So therefore these type of institution help the company to increase their credit worthiness, help the company to increase their goodwill in the market. Then fourth point is, loans and guarantees in foreign currency, deferred payment facilities are available for the import of required machinery and equipment. एनी काइंड ऑफ फॉरेन करेंसीज, अगर आप कुछ बाहर से इंपोर्ट करा रहे हैं, इंपोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट आई थिंक यू नो, सो अगर आप बाहर से कोई भी हैवी मशीनरी इंपोर्ट करा रहे हैं, देन यू नीड अ फॉरेन करेंसी फॉर दैट. सो ऑल दीज काइंड ऑफ फैसिलिटीज आर also given by the financial institution. So this is also the advantage for the company. Then fifth point is the rate of interest and repayment procedures are convenient and economical. Whatever the interest they are charging from the company on the principal amount, that is also very economical. ज़्यादा ज़्यादा interest भी charge नहीं करते हैं, economically charge करते हैं जितना उनको charge करना चाहिए. Okay. Then sixth point is along with finance, company can obtain expert advice and guidance for the successful planning and administration of project. So they are not only providing the finance, they are not only providing the amount loan, but also they are providing them expert advice that where they should invest their money in order to get a good return. So this is also one of the advantages of financial institution. So I hope you understand. You just see that financial institution is doing a lot of work for the companies. Not only they are providing them finance, but also other things as well. Therefore, especially the new companies, they are moving towards these financial institution to have the loan. Then come to the second disadvantages. However, institutional financing may involve the following limitations. Some limitations are also there. Now see the disadvantages. First disadvantage is the concern requiring. Concern here means company. Company requiring finance from a special financial institution has to submit itself to thorough investigation. Number of formalities and documents are involved. Now there are several formalities, legal formalities will be there, because when investigation होता है, thorough investigation होता है, तो फिर कंपनी को इतना पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा दैट जो भी सारी फॉर्मेलिटीज़ होंगी, लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज़ होंगी, दैट हैज़ टू बी फुलफिल्ड. ओके, सो ये एक डिसएडवांटेज हो जाता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा पेपर वर्क हो जाता है, बहुत ज़्यादा लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज़ फुलफिल करनी पड़ती हैं. Then secondly, many deserving concerned may fail to get assistance for want of security and conditions laid down by these institutions. Sometimes कुछ डिज़र्विंग कंपनीज होती हैं, लेकिन उनको सिर्फ इसलिए लोन नहीं मिल पाता क्योंकि उनके पास कोई भी चीज़ मॉर्टगेज रखने के लिए नहीं होती है, उनके पास प्रॉपर कोई सिक्योरिटी रखने के लिए नहीं होती है कोई भी चीज़. तो उस केस में भी दे आर डिज़र्विंग, बट समटाइम्स दे डोंट गेट द loan because of this problem, because of the security problem. Then third point is sometimes these institution place restriction on the autonomy of management. Sometimes ये जो financial institutions होते हैं, ये अपनी कुछ conditions रख देते हैं. Okay, they lay down a convertibility clause in loan agreement. In some cases, they insist on the appointment of their nominees on the board of directors of the borrowing company. Especially for the new companies, ये कुछ conditions रख देते हैं that when you are preparing the board of directors team, so financial institution अपनी कुछ condition रख देते हैं कि वो चाहते हैं कि उनके अभी कोई nominee बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स की टीम में हो, इन्वॉल्व हो, या मैनेजमेंट में इंटरफेयर कर सके, या शेयर होल्डर हो कंपनी का. सो दीज कैन समटाइम्स दीज कंडीशंस कैन ऑल्सो रिस्ट्रिक्टेड, दीज कंडीशन कैन ऑल्सो मेक कंपनी नॉट टू टेक फाइनेंस फ्रॉम दिस financial institution. So these are the three limitations of the financial taking loan from the financial institutions. These are the three disadvantages from the viewpoint of the company. Okay, and these are the six advantages from the viewpoint of the company. I hope you understand. Of financial institution, they are providing finance as well as they are providing them expert advices and other foreign exchange and so on. They are guiding them as well. Okay, so this is what these are some of the advantages and these are some of the disadvantages. I hope you all understood. Thank you.